Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your web traffic with Ahrefs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool in the main dashboard. Enter your website URL in the search bar provided. Click on the search icon to access your site's analytics. In the Overview section, check your organic search traffic data. Next, go to the Traffic tab on the left sidebar. Review the historical traffic graph to identify any drops in traffic. Click on the Top Pages option to analyze your most popular content. Take note of pages that have seen a significant decline in traffic. Now, switch to the Keywords section to find keywords driving traffic to those pages. Identify keywords that may have dropped in search rankings. Click on the Content Gap feature to find keywords your competitors rank for but you do not. Compile a list of these keywords for potential content opportunities. Next, analyze the backlinks for the top performing pages. Go to the Backlinks section to see which sites link to your content. Identify lost backlinks that may have contributed to the traffic drop. Reach out to the referring domains to reclaim these lost links. Create new, high-quality content targeting the identified keywords. Optimize your existing pages by updating content and metadata. Monitor your site's performance over the coming weeks. Use Ahrefs tools regularly to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.